Nigeria has reversed its recent decision to ease COVID-related health protocols for travelers. It's now demanding proof of vaccination from all people coming into the country. This comes barely a month after the government lifted many travel restrictions. CGTN's Kelechi Mekalam reports.
Travelers arriving in Nigeria are now required to present their COVID-19 test certificates. This follows an increase in coronavirus cases in several countries around the world. Nigeria has confirmed 42 new COVID cases between the 31st of December and 13th of January. Now the nation is ramping up measures to stop a looming resurgence.
The reason why the virus is such an interesting organism is that as it's circulating within a space of place, and if it is not checked, they mutate. And that mutation can be within the subvariant or a new variant altogether. The NCDC, they're studying, looking at the data. So they will come to the best, I would say, best decision in terms of protecting our country.
Until recently, the Nigerian government had relaxed the COVID-19 rules, including pre-departure and post-arrival testing. Health experts say a resurgence would pose serious risks to the West African nation, particularly due to vaccine and personnel shortages.
The donation of vaccine is not rampant like it used to be. The Ministry of Health does not even have sufficient vaccine for everybody. The second risk is that there's already a brain drain. A lot of our medical personnel have, gone out of the country to practice. The government and its people and the transitional process and the health care system that is not well funded, will not be able to manage it if there's a resurgence.
Communication about the dangers of COVID-19 is no longer being shared frequently in the Nigerian public spaces. Medical experts have advised people to be more careful so as to avoid a resurgence of infections.
If you go into any place and people are coughing or someone is coughing, either you stay away from that place or you advise the person to cover his nose and mouth.
By mid-January 2023, over 65 million Nigerians had been fully vaccinated. Public health experts are urging the government to intensify efforts to produce vaccines locally. Kelechi Mekalam, CGTN Abuja, Nigeria.